Look, if the revenue isn't moving the way you want, it's because you're stuck on the same tired channels everyone else uses. And those channels are overcrowded, overpriced, and overhyped. You feel it every day, burning cash, grinding your team to exhaustion, swiping left on growth because the old ways don't work anymore. You're frustrated. You're pissed off. You're asking yourself, why the hell can't I get ahead? Let's be clear. Your market isn't waiting around for another bland ad or some vague social media push. It's buried under noise and bullshit. If you waste another dime on generic campaigns, it's on you. But there's a way out. A channel almost no one's willing to dig into because it's harder, deeper, and less glamorous. It's direct partnerships. Not some loose affiliate program or random collab. Real, strategic, hand-in-hand partnerships with players who already own your ideal customers. This is the secret to blowing the revenue ceiling off. Fast. Here's what most miss. These partnerships aren't about throwing flyers or fancy decks. They're about identifying the people who hold the keys in your niche and going all in on building real, no BS relationships with them. We're talking about founders, community leaders, service providers, and companies whose customers need exactly what you offer. When you flip from cold audience, cold pitch to warm, trusted intro, your conversion rates skyrocket overnight. The money triples because you're not hunting for clicks. You're leveraging trust networks. But building these isn't a casual thing. You need a targeted approach. Map the ecosystem around your product. Find 5 to 10 key players with loyal audiences. Then craft offers that make it stupid for them not to work with you. The offer can't be generic. It's got to solve their problem, not just yours. Then you jump on calls. You don't sugarcoat or pitch blindly. You dig into what they want, what scares them, what's keeping them from closing more deals. Only then do you drop your offer, tailored to fix their biggest headache while adding massive value for their users. Do this right, and you get exclusive access to warm leads they trust. Leads that want to buy now. This is the kind of distribution that moves the needle fast, with less wasted budget and zero noise. Here's the brutal truth. If you're trying to scale without this, you're spinning wheels in the mud. Social ads get expensive and clogged. SEO is slow and crowded. PR is pricey and flaky. But partnerships like this? They cut through all that crap. Because people do business with people they trust. And trust isn't bought. It's earned through sharp, direct connection and relentless follow-through. Stop wasting time waiting for some marketing magic or new shiny tool. The biggest changes come when you get off your ass, dig into your network map, and start building real, powerful relationships that open doors wide. The one distribution channel that can triple your revenue isn't in an ad platform or a playbook. It's in knocking on the right doors, finding the right partners, turning them into allies, and making customers flow through those doors fast as hell. Do this or stay stuck watching your competitors pass you by. The choice is clear. Now, stop watching and start acting. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.